Hello, welcome back. So excited to share with you in this video my favorite prints that are retiring from our summer catalog. So our new fall catalog is going to launch on September 1st, but we have so many amazing products and amazing prints that you will not want to slip through your fingers this August. So I'm going to share with you those prints, but I want you to keep in mind when you are shopping, I'll link everything below, but while you are shopping, keep in mind about my August customer special. It's our all day, every day 50/50 special. Spend 50, get a 50% off item of your choice, or in the month of August, you can grab our deluxe wearable utility tote for $15. It's normally $50. So this is such a huge savings for you on this tote. I have used mine all summer long. They hold so much, great for your car. They fold flat, fit in your luggage, all those things. So keep in mind about that when you are shopping, okay? All right, let's jump into it. So this print is actually retiring. So this is the Painted Streaks print here. It's retiring. So many beautiful, fun colors in here. Hot pink, turquoise, butter. What else is in here? Like an off-white color. Or was that aqua? Or no, not aqua. The Caribbean blue thread. Caribbean blue. I did the personalization here, the smiley face personalization. I did that in the butter thread color and in the hot pink thread color here. So let's just, I have all of my retiring prints that are actually in here. So I'm just going to pull them out of here. So this is the Sedona Strope print. Anything in this print will be going away. So many colors in here. Butter, that papaya, off-white, Merlot, those, or great thread colors to use on this. This is actually the laptop sleeve. This is the large. I don't think I saw the laptop sleeve, either the large or the small, in the next catalog. It may be coming back in the future, but I didn't see it in this current catalog. Okay, let's shoot over to our other prints, my fun summer prints. The Midnight Floral print's going away. I'm so sad about this because this is probably one of my all-time favorite prints. It's so vibrant, it's so rich, it's just gorgeous. Thread colors, papaya and red, look absolutely beautiful on here. This is the Popsicle Perfection print here. I did my thread color in navy. I don't know if I would do that again, especially with small letters. Maybe if it was a larger personalization, I might do the navy, but it says freeze the moment. Life is so sweet. So that is the Popsicle Perfection. And then here is the Tropical Getaway. So anything in this print will be going away. This thread color, this is Atlantic Blue. And then I did the sea in hot pink. This personalization option is going away at the end of the month. What else is in here? This is the Scattered Flowers print. This will be going away. This is the Coral Peach. This color will be going away. This is the double zip crossbody. And I did, if you get anything in this Coral Peach, I would definitely personalize it in this papaya thread color because that's the one that matches the best. It blends in, but still stands out. Y'all know that this is, I have my strap tucked in here, but this is a double zip crossbody. You got a zipper on the front, zipper section back here, built-in card slots, a place back here to store your phone. So that's the double zip, and the anything in that Coral Peach print will be going away. The Cotton Candy Pink, this print is going away. What else? Oh my gosh, this one. I'm so sad about this one. This is the Caribbean Blue. I absolutely love. It's like a Tiffany blue. It's so gorgeous. And this is in the relaxed crossbody. So anything that is in the Caribbean blue print will be going away. I did the nautical personalization in the Caribbean blue thread color. We call that tone on tone personalization. Caribbean blue and then Caribbean blue thread color there. So that's the that print. This fell over, so I'm going to show you this next. This is the wearable large utility tote, the smaller version of this that's on sale this month. But our camo print is going away. Now, I will tell you, on the website, the camo, to me, the stock photo is not what it looks like in real life. I cannot get past that. The real life version of this classic camo is so pretty. The one on the website, the greens are like a bright green. I'm like, ooh, I would not choose that. But in person, it's so much better. It's just gorgeous. And so I did the American flag on there. So the camo print's going away. This is called the Sunset Bloom. This print is going away. So many colors in this one. Same kind of as that Sedona stripe. It's kind of like the same colors in there. So this is really, really pretty. This is actually the medium Fresh Market Thermal. I've just got it folded flat. If you want to see the medium Fresh Market Thermal in a little bit bigger, this is mine in the bigger one that's popped out. But this print is going away. This is the Under the Umbrella print. So many colors in this one as well, like hot pinks, that Caribbean blue. You've got a little lime green in here. And so my personalization I did in hot pink there. So this print is going away. What is there anything else? Oh, the Ocean Waves print is going away. I love this print. It matches really well with the Midnight Floral. Like, just beautiful colors. I just love these bright colors. I did the flip-flop personalization in navy, and the straps I did the papaya thread color on that. Red also looks good on here. Anything else in here? And then also the, well, I'm going to show you this. The butterfly print is going away. So anything in the butter, and it's like going like hotcakes. So I'd grab it sooner rather than later. This is the bedside organizer. It slides under your mattress and hangs on the side of your bed, giving you organization and things like that. And just because I love this one, here's my stand tall bin in the butterfly print. I did Wash on Delicate as my personalization. And then this one's really cute too. So I'll show you this personalization. It says resting wings for tomorrow's flight. I love that because this goes next to your bed. So you're resting your wings. So those are the prints. I think the only one I didn't show you is the lobster print. I don't think I have anything in that lobster print. But anyways, those are the prints that will be going away. So sad. So these will be ending on August 31st. So you will definitely want to grab these before they are gone because it's while supplies last. Definitely anything in that Midnight Floral and that butterfly print, those will be gone like hotcakes. So definitely grab those for sure. I'll link everything below, but thank you so much for watching. If you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant and you live in the United States, I want to be your 31 go-to girl. So you can click to join my VIP group on Facebook and answer the couple of questions. I'm going to send you a private message. So you got to go to your message request folders, click the 3 little lines in Messenger and go to your message request so you'll see my message to you, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group there on Facebook. If you are interested in hosting this month and getting those last minute hostess rewards for this catalog, let's get you set up ASAP. I can get you a shopping link. You can shop on your own link and you can share your shopping link with your friends and your family. And if you're interested in making some money this fall season, this holiday season, pay for your Christmas gifts, I'd love to help you with that. But again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.